Hello, yes, you are.
Okay, that's good. Is the background is my background noise is clear or like something disturbing?
No, no, it's clear, hearable.
Okay, thank you. Okay, please wait a bit so that I confirm few things and then I will continue.
Sure, go for it.
Okay, Mr. Ryan, are you here? Can you please turn on your camera? Okay, that's great.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. So, are you ready? Shall we start?
Sure, go for it.
Okay, perfect. So, hello everyone. It's pleasure to have you all of joining us for today's AMA event. We are thrilled to have the OXLSD project team as our special guest. So, as we delve into the discussion about this highly anticipated star project in the DeFi space, whether you are an industry expert, an investor, or a user, or a new user can say, just learning about this project, and we have prepared a series of exciting questions that we believe will be enlightening for everyone. So today we will focus on OXLSD core product, future plans, and community development and its impact on the entire crypto finance industry. So let's get started now. So first of all, let's like here we have Mr. Rian, co-founder of OLXT. So, Mr. Rian, please introduce about yourself and can say the key product or the brief introduction about the OLXT project.
Sure, you got it. So, first of all, hello everyone. I am Ryan, one of the co founders of ZeroX LSD. Prior to creating ZeroX LSD, I focused on in depth studies in fields such as economics, business, and computer engineering, earning relevant bachelor's degrees as well. Subsequently, I conducted extensive research in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, also actively participating in the early design and development of several well known cryptocurrency projects and this is during the industry's early stages, a long time ago. 0xLSD is basically a decentralized smart contract platform which is based on blockchain technology. It allows users to directly participate in projects to their wallets without the need to download any third party software, providing a simple, secure, and convenient user experience. You also asked about the main products. Well, the primary product of 0xLSD is the staking project, involving participation as a liquidity provider on the Pancake platform. Its goal is to provide an opportunity for every investor to participate as a liquidity provider on Pancake and also earn stable returns. Individual participants can directly engage in multiple projects on the Pancake platform through 0xLSD's multi chain aggregation automated intelligence. This exact intelligence system is actually transparent and also displays the destination of each staking investment in real time. The core advantage of 0xLSD lies in providing users with stable and efficient returns, both in terms of static and dynamic income. And the project distributes dividends daily on a daily matter with an annual return rate of up to 438%. And this is with a maximum daily return rate of 1.2%. So earnings are automatically paid on time every day. This would be a short introduction about the project. Let's move on to another question. Thank you.
Okay, wow. Thank you for the introduction, brief introduction, can say. And apology from my side because I mispronounced the project name. It's 0x LSD, not O. So apology for that. So let's move on to the another question. Like it seems that in the LSD sector and even in the entire crypto community, 0x LSD is the hottest project. So I always see influential individual promoting 0x LSD on platform like YouTube, Twitter, or can say X and other media channels. So there are also numerous community engaging in a lively discussion about the 0x LSD project. So it appeared to have a very strong following, which is quite impressive actually. So please introduce to us like what business sectors 0x LSD currently has.
Certainly. So, 0xLSD has indeed achieved exciting milestones and made significant progress. However, we believe that there is still more to be done. We aim to onboard more individuals and have them join our team, 0xLSD, in contributing to the transformation of the industry. And after reviewing the DeFi summer boom in 2020, where the total funds in the entire DeFi space surpassed billions of dollars, I came to realize the immense potential of crypto finance. However, as time went on, DeFi seemed to have entered a phase of what we call stagnation. This prompted us to deeply contemplate the long term development of this specific field. In order to foster sustainable growth in the crypto industry, our team, 0xLSD team, collectively launched the 0xLSD project, which is an on chain liquidity revenue aggregation facility that continuously generates profit returns for investors. And this is through our developed AI large scale models. Our main goal is to make 0xLSD a platform that aggregates a large amount of decentralized liquidity, thereby establishing itself as a liquidity service provider in the Web3 world. And this will provide a strong foundation for the long term development of DeFi. And also, I must mention that while building the liquidity system, the 0x LSD's ecosystem also delves into the LSD track, and this is, of course, to support various public chain ecosystems, which is very important. And this includes not only enhancing underlying security and user capital utilization, but also facilitating the development of diverse ecosystems through liquidity provision in different public chains. In order to better serve various roles, if I can say so, we have constructed additional ecosystem components, including what we call a cross chain instant exchange platform, an on chain derivatives protocol, an ecosystem wallet, and also an aggregated public chain as well. And through continuous efforts, we are committed to building a comprehensive liquidity ecosystem. I must also add this thing, last but not least, with the continuous development and innovation of 0xLSD, it now boasts a brand new business matrix. And this exact matrix includes Vault, text liquidity aggregation, cross-chain bridges, lending, NFT aggregator, and Web3 short video platform. You name it, it's already there. We believe that 0xLSD progresses, it will also construct a more comprehensive and refined ecosystem, consistently innovating in the DeFi space to provide users with a wider range of one-stop services. Thank you.
Okay, that's awesome, and it sounds very great, and it's a complete ecosystem, can say. So, moving on, can you introduce some of these business sectors of Zero X LSD in details? And
That's a nice question. Mhm.
yes, and of course, first let us introduce the vault sector. So, the vault are one of the core revenue component of Zero LXT powered by
Mhm.
an AI system, and the protocol automatically generates profit by utilizing various farming methods, can say, such as
Yes,
yeah
that's the vault.
and staking and
Mhm.
leveraging a vast array of profit strategies for different DeFi protocols by intelligently switching between different pools. It has achieved like expectationally high mining returns. So, can you please give more detail on it?
Sure.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start speaking by the term vault. So the 0xLSD vault is actually one of the core revenue components of 0xLSD. And it's actually powered by an AI system, as you just mentioned. And
Yeah.
the protocol, what's special about it is that it automatically generates profits by utilizing various and different farming methods, such as different LPs, liquidity provider, and also staking, which is a major important protocol. It also leverages a vast array of profit strategies from different DeFi protocols. By intelligently switching between different pools, it can achieve exceptionally high mining returns. The next one I'm going to speaking of is the DEX sector. So 0xLSD is actually focusing on the DEX field, the decentralized exchanges. And through its AI system, it continuously provides positions in different types of DEX, including spot and derivatives, and also generates profits through various DEX trading strategies. And in this process, it brings massive liquidity to decentralized exchanges. By leveraging its AI system's market judgment, 0xLSD can actually anticipate profits in advance and execute optimal trading strategies, achieving a win win outcome. Now, let me move on to another one, which is the cross chain bridge. Let's continue talking about this term cross chain bridge. The liquidity system of 0xLSD is not limited to a single blockchain ecosystem. It has built a cross-chain bridge that connects different blockchains, allowing liquidity to flow across all different and types of chains. This bridge enables users to perform low slippage, low fee cross-chain swaps, and so on. The cross-chain bridge supports not only EVM, which is short form for Ethereum Virtual Machine, but it also incorporates new technological solutions to bridge non-EVM chains into its system. And this cross-chain bridge system also serves as one of the potential revenue streams for 0xLSD. And throughout this process, as the user base scales, the 0xLSD system can generate revenue from fees, spreads, and other avenues as well. Making a long story short, the cross-chain bridge for collateralized asset swaps aims to address the liquidity imbalance between different chains and facilitate better liquidity sharing among different blockchain ecosystems. I must also add the thing about Linden. Our Linden platform at 0xLSD is one of its derivatives products. So the lending protocol supports borrowing through over collateralization and also offers higher collateralization ratios compared to other lending protocols. The funds obtained through lending are utilized in the yield farming pools and DAX and other sectors with profit distributed to the users. In order to build what we call a credit lending system, we have introduced a decentralized identity identifier system, the DID. Users can actually establish a credit identity and user profiles within this system, and this information is stored in a distributed manner. Based on this DID system that I just mentioned, 0xLSD allows users to borrow without collateral. And this new Web3 credit mechanism is expected to incentivize user participation in investments and also contribute to the overall liquidity of the system. There's also a thing about NFT aggregation marketplace within 0xLSD. So in other words, 0xLSD has established an NFT marketplace aggregator that actually connects to various NFT marketplaces. It provides real time price quotes for individual NFT assets across the entire network, which facilitates NFT market liquidity. Let me speak about our NFT system. Our NFT aggregator, it actually introduces a new listing mechanism that allows users to list assets and choose 0xLSD to make an upfront payment of approximately 20% to 30% of the total price. So users, they receive the remaining payment upon complete transaction completion. During the listing period, users can continue to adjust their prices and so on. So, this innovative approach reduces the time it takes to sell NFT assets and further enhances the liquidity. So, 0xLSD earns revenue through a portion of the transaction fees. I'm going to also mention the last one, which will be the social entertainment platform. What I mean by this is that 0xLSD has launched a social platform centered about short video content, as I just mentioned. It mainly incorporates features such as live streaming, social networking, instant messaging, and online marketplaces, while it can also provide diverse payment options and many program interfaces. And these unique features, along with the utilization of blockchain, AI, NFT, and other technologies, they aim to provide users and partners with a more interactive experience and a richer commercial ecosystem. So basically, the 0xLSD video platform, it offers various functions like shooting, editing, adding music, special effects, visual effects, and social sharing also, enabling users to create, be creative, share, and also enjoy interesting and creative short videos. I must add one more thing. The application includes features such as short dramas that are shorts, exploration, instant messaging, and flash payments, making it not only a video content ecosystem, but it also possesses new attributes in social networking and payments. Whether it's short videos or live streaming, crypto serves as an economic bridge between users and content creators, empowering the video ecosystem through a unique economic model and leveraging the existing DeFi system of 0xLSD. That would be it. Thank you.
Okay, cool. I understand that users in the DeFi space often require cross-chain functionality. And people, if you want to know more about the 0x LSD, please check out their documentation, can say white paper or website, etc. You will get more information over there. Now I have another interesting question for you. So, Mr. Rand, can you introduce to everyone the cross-chain bridge of a 0x LSD and its advantages also?
Sure. I really like this question. That's an interesting one. So, as an answer to your previous question, I can say that the decentralized multi chain flash swapping platform is one of the essential components of 0xLSD. And this is, of course, to establish multi chain liquidity because it allows users to seamlessly and efficiently and also cost effectively perform cross chain flash swaps, just like that. around and across multiple chains without any sort of slippage. And the liquidity for this cross-chain flash swapping protocol is sourced from 0xLSD's liquidity pool. So 0xLSD has already launched its cross-chain flash swapping platform, and this bridge not only supports cross-chain flash swapping between EVM chains, but also incorporates a new technical solution to bridge all non-EVM chains into the ecosystem as well, as I just mentioned earlier. Currently, the decentralized multi-chain flash swapping platform, it actually supports cross-chain asset swaps among dozens of coins and among dozens of chains also, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Linecoin, BNB chain, Avalanche, and so on. During a cross-chain flash swap, AI will assist users in selecting the optimal path and the safest node, with the potential to help users profit from price discrepancies. In terms of fees, we offer a stable fee of 1%, which provides the most efficient cross-chain flash swapping experience. And for larger flash swap amounts, users can choose a variable fee rate, starting from a minimum of 0.5%, which adjusts based on the flash swap amount. So the amount you input, you can adjust the fees regarding it. And as the cross-chain flash swapping protocol gains widespread adoption, the 0xLSD system will actually generate substantial revenue from fees, price discrepancies, and other aspects, which will be distributed to the ecosystem users of 0xLSD. I must also mention that as a new solution for cross-chain flash swapping, we aim to address the imbalance of liquidity among different chains and also enable better liquidity sharing among different chain ecosystems. And to date, 0xLSD has successfully launched the cross-chain flash swapping platform, which has received positive feedback from a large number of users, and the platform's trading volume and throughput are really impressive.
Okay, got it. And I really like the advantages essential for establishing multi-chain liquidity, and it's allow seamless and cross-effective cross-chain flash swaps actually, and it also support various chain as you said like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many more. There's a lot of advantages, and the AI access users also.
Mhm.
That's and moving on now, I have another question. Let's talk about the your Web3 social platform. Like, can you tell us about the 0x LSD's Web3 social platforms?
Sure. I'm very happy to share that one. So, 0xLSD has actually developed a Web3 social platform which is based on the 0xLSD's DID, the decentralized identifier system. We aim to provide users with an immersive and decentralized environment for social interactions. It combines social networking with financial elements, and this is to offer users enhanced entertainment experiences and additional avenues for earning profits. The 0xLSD Web3 social platform encompasses various features, a lot of them, including video sharing, instant messaging, which is IM, live streaming, there's also content creation and rewarding functionalities. It leverages 0xLSD's DID system and encrypted flash payments to provide users with a diverse experience and financial services as well. So users they can engage in social activities while also earning profits in the same time. The 0xLSD's Web3 social platform is scheduled to launch soon. You can stay updated on relevant information regarding this platform.
Okay, we are looking forward for this wonderful platform actually. And you mentioned that the 0x LSD can provide user with a maximum return of 438% over time. So this is very amazing. So could you please describe the ecological logic structure of 0x LSD as well as the project revenue model and core profit methods, and why is there such a high annualized rate of return?
Sure, certainly. So, the ecological logic of 0xLSD encompasses multiple DeFi protocol. such as the LSDFi Asset Management Protocol, Hybrid Token Gun Pool, Cross-Chain Flash Exchange Protocol, the Lending Protocol, NFT Aggregator, among others. So once users' funds enter 0xLSD, they are automatically allocated by AI contracts to different protocol areas, and this is to generate profits in corresponding ways. So the profits are then settled and distributed to users to the earning contract in stable coins. Users can then choose whether to withdraw their earnings or continue participating in compound investment. Let me give you an example. For example, in the Gunpool protocol, we utilize LPAMM, which is a sort of conversions, and this is to automate AI protocol capturing, enabling participation in the most profitable protocol products in the current market space, and also engaging in high frequency compounding. In the DEX protocol, AI selects the most lucrative liquidity compensation trading pairs for operations. Then, flash exchange profits are composed of transaction fees and liquidity differentials. Then comes collateralization and lending, which involve interest charges and profit realization for revenue generation. It's worth mentioning that our NFT aggregator provides leverage functionality, which brings substantial profit returns to users to aggregated contracts, as I mentioned earlier. So, in simple terms, we have organically combined and reconstructed the hottest and most profitable protocol products in the current Web3 market. That would be my answer to your question. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's great. And moving on, like this sound great, and we know that there is some staking and mining platform on project currently in the crypto space. So how does 0x LST compare the other staking and mining project or platform, and can you tell us why some users choose 0x LST, and what are the differences and the strength of your project, can say? Yeah.
Certainly. So, despite the presence of several platforms offering staking and mining services in the cryptocurrency field, there are also several reasons why many users choose 0xLST, why many users choose us. We have previously conducted comparisons with other similar projects, which can provide insights into why an increasing number of users are selecting us over other projects. Let's take two of the largest exchanges within liquidity pools as examples. Firstly, all of the viewers and everybody around the world knows Binance, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally. And it also offers DeFi mining services. However, Binance has some sort of limitations, and this is in terms of the types and quantities of tokens available for staking. Additionally, their protocols tend to be singular in nature and have long lockup periods and waiting times for staking and redemption. There are also potential risks associated with contract vulnerabilities and project suspension. Let me give you another example of another famous exchange project, which is OKX. This exact OKX, it allows users to stake their coin OKB and also participate in different projects and of course to receive corresponding token rewards. However, OKX's Jumpstart service has its drawbacks, such as the requirement to stake OKB exclusively and then the associated fees for staking and redemption. So, in contrast, 0xLSD is open and meticulous in its approach. Firstly, we allow our users to directly participate in projects through their wallets without the need to download any third party software. So, in other words, we strive to provide the simplest, safest, and most convenient user experience in the market. Other platforms, they may require users to register an account, download software, undergo complex fund transfer procedure, which is a product level advantage for us. And speaking at the protocol level, 0xLST stands out from others by offering a wide range of projects, ensuring diversification and potentially higher returns. The platform actually allows users to participate in multiple projects to earn a variety of rewards, with an annualized return of up to 438%. So, 0xLSD offers significantly higher returns compared to the average. Furthermore, 0xLSD ensures timely and automatic distribution of earnings to users. Now, let me talk about security. So, in terms of security, the project 0xLSD's technology has undergone rigorous security code audit by CertiK, the famous auditing company, which is also a professional blockchain security auditing firm. They thoroughly inspected and tested the code to ensure that 0xLSD smart contracts are free from vulnerabilities and risks and that are capable of autonomous execution on the blockchain without any sort of human intervention, thus safeguarding user funds. Notably, 0xLSD has established strategic partnerships with 23 renowned companies worldwide, including Puff, Discipline, CNS, Terry, and others. And these companies, they are leaders in their respective fields, and they all support 0xLSD platform and its project. They provide technical support for us and also marketing assistance, enhancing the security measures of 0xLSD's ecosystem. In order to ensure project security, 0xLSD implements mechanisms to control token circulation and scarcity, which is very important. So token airdrops, they cannot exceed the committed quantity, and any excess token are immediately, definitely burned, ensuring that users cannot overborrow or withdraw, thus maintaining the security and stability of project funds. Let me talk about fees. There's a 5% token fee, which is charged during withdrawals, forcing the purchase of 0xLSD and reducing the token circulating supply, thereby enhancing its value. Selling 0xLSD also incurs a 5% fee, simulating the purchase of 0xLSD, driving token demand and promoting price appreciation. And the last thing I'm going to mention is in terms of service. So, in terms of service, 0xLSD organizes offline conferences globally, including in Dubai, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, and the United Kingdom as well. And in these exact events, 0xLSD invites partners and clients to share their experiences and insights, showcasing the latest updates and future plans for the 0xLSD platform and projects. And additionally, we have branch offices in dozens of countries where professional teams provide local customer service and support. That would be it. Thank you.
Okay, that's awesome. And thanks for the very nice explanation. Also, I like the example that you gave regarding the Binance and OKX because that is a very great example for that. Now, from your description, I understand that the 0x LSD has brought innovative changes of LS to LSD and which is both eye-catching and exciting actually. And which is rare in the current cryptocurrency field. So it can be said that 0x LSD has achieved great momentum in the first half of its journey. And could you please say, like, what are these 0x LSD future plans, and what are the extended area that you will expand and get involved in next?
Sure, yes. So 0xLSD is actually dedicated to becoming a leader in the field of cryptocurrency finance. In the future, it plans to expand into more areas such as derivatives, cross chain transactions, and also community governance while continuously optimizing its protocols and products. And this is to enhance, of course, the user experience. The project actually aims to achieve deeper cross chain transactions, multi chain collaborations, and a greater variety of financial products. And this is to drive the development of the cryptocurrency finance industry, the whole industry. So, first of all, there is a plan to support a greater variety of on chain assets and contract types. So in the future, 0xLSD plans to continuously expand its functionality to support more types of on-chain assets and contract types as well. In addition to existing features such as futures, options, and lending, the project will actively research market demand and introduce more derivatives to provide users with diversified trading and investment options. The second thing is that there is a community governance plan. So, community governance will play a crucial role in the development of 0xLSD. The project plans to introduce the 0xLSD DAO, our own decentralized autonomous organization, and this is to allow users to participate in protocol decision making. And through voting and proposals, users can collectively decide on protocol upgrades, parameter adjustments, and share in the ecological value and benefits of the protocol, enhancing community participation and ownership also. Furthermore, I must state that in terms of expanding partnerships and influence worldwide, 0xLSD will establish close collaborations with various project teams, liquidity providers, media platforms, and even more. So, through these partnerships, I can say that the project aims to collectively drive protocol development and expand the user base, increase liquidity. So, and this is, of course, to enhance the protocol's visibility and influence. An active participation in community activities, industry conferences, and partner promotion activities will be undertaken to continuously expand their influence and position in the DeFi field. So, making a long story short, the project will actively establish close partnerships with more high quality ecosystems and Web3 projects. You can see on our official social media channels that we have established close collaborations with many top ecosystem projects, and we are working together to drive the development of DeFi and promote innovation in the LSD domain. Additionally, I can say that there are many high quality ecosystems and Web3 projects that are eager to engage in strategic cooperation and mutual growth with us with the 0x LSD. These partnerships will gradually be announced on our official social media channels. So, through collaborations, our goal is to create thriving ecosystem that benefits all participants and drive progress in the industry. Thank you.
Okay, got it, got it. And I hope and like you achieve all these goal like so far. Can say these are the great plans also, like creating DAOs and doing partnership with already existing project. And people, you just need to stay tuned and support them. Also to know about their update and future plans by joining their social links, and they will update you over there day by day or in near future. So please join all the social links of 0x LST. And yeah, I understand that 0x LST has often appeared in some industry summit in recent times. So, for example, you participated in Singapore token 2049, as well as the Dubai summit that you attend with Binance, Google, and AWS, and achieved great attention in these meetings. So, but what shocked me even more is that you held the Tokyo DeFi Global Summit, and this is a conference that has attracted much attention from the industry and has achieved great success. So, can you like introduce the summit to us? Uh, do you get this?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
mhm. Yeah, so as you know, in the past period of time, we have participated in many industry focused summits and achieved good results at every conference. And at the same time, we have also reached some great cooperations with some well known projects and enterprises around the world. But perhaps what excites people more is the just concluded Tokyo Global DeFi Summit, which is hosted by us. And on October 10, 2023, the highly anticipated Global DeFi Summit successfully concluded in Tokyo. And as an internationally renowned conference in the blockchain industry, the summit brought together global blockchain elites, scientists, developers, investors, and even the high quality Web3 ecosystem represented by 0xLSD. Its objective was to delve into the future development and direction and also investment opportunities in the DeFi field. Our CMO, our Chief Marketing Officer, he delivered a keynote speech titled Exploring the LSD Track, Challenges and Potential, providing in depth and detailed analysis on the pain points, current development status, and future prospects of the LSD market. The speech also extensively introduced 0xLSD's future layout in this track. Our COO, our Chief Operating Officer, on the other hand, he gave a speech titled Advancing in the 0xLSD's ecosystem. He was elaborating on how 0xLSD addresses market pain points, its ecosystem layout, and development vision. During the summit, 0xLSC has announced the upcoming launch of its Web3 social platforms. Additionally, an important partnership was announced. 0xLSD and BitPay have formed a deep collaboration to introduce a co-branded credit card that meets users' needs for Web3 spending and earnings, which I see is very promising and interesting. The summit also featured speeches by the founder of Terminal, which is a Web3 investment banking service provider, and the former chairman of Amber Japan, Lee Yijin, as well as the founder and CEO of Kokai, Danny. They both delivered speeches on the future development of DeFi and highly praised 0xLSD's future development prospects during their exchanges. Throughout the summit, attendees engaged in discussions and exchanges. They had a lot of questions, they got a lot of answers, and so on. Many discussions were on, expressing that 0xLSD provided them with valuable opportunities to gain in-depth insights into the blockchain and artificial intelligence fields. The summit not only broadened their horizons, but it also highlighted the unique position and importance of DeFi in the blockchain industry. Thank
Okay.
you. This is
Yeah.
my take on this one.
Yeah, thanks for covering such a great detail. We are very happy to know about this summit. That's great. And moving on, like we know that the success of the project cannot be separated from the help of its partners. So, what are the partners of like who are the partners of Zero X LSD, and what development assistant have they brought to Zero X LSD?
Yes, we're thrilled to have a group of outstanding partners who have been encouraging and supporting us. 0xLSD's partners, they cover various areas, including technical support, marketing, and even more. For example, we collaborate with decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap for cross-chain trading. We work with data service providers such as Chainlink and Band Protocol, and this is to obtain reliable market data. And also, we partner with lending protocols like Aave and Compound, and this is to provide funding support. These integration will help us improve the efficiency, security, and reliability of the protocol, offering users a better trading experience. Next, we will be collaborating closely with Orion, focusing on on-chain liquidity and on-chain yield avenues. Both 0xLSD and Orion are early pioneers in these domains, actively exploring new directions. So the organic integration of Orion's liquidity components and yield component with 0xLSD's AI components, they both hold the potential for innovative liquidity solutions, further enhancing yield efficiency and capital utilization, and driving the development of the on chain world in new directions as well. And as I mentioned earlier, 0xLSD's ecosystem currently primarily serves retail users, while Orion has already made early attempts into the B2B market through Orion Enterprise blockchain solutions. Enterprise trade-in widgets as well, and other components. This early experience from Orion will also provide assistance to 0xLSD in exploring that exact direction. With its expertise in cutting edge encryption and AI technologies, 0xLST will play a significant role in advancing enterprise RWA business construction, on chain financial services, and exploring new revenue and business models in the Web3 world. And this is after entering the B2B enterprise market. Let's speak from another perspective. Orion, as a well established DeFi ecosystem, it has accumulated a strong industry presence. Its ecosystem token, ORN, is currently listed on over a dozen exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, Gate.io, and has a considerable user base of investors as well. So, after establishing a partnership, ORN the coin will serve as one of the liquidity tokens for 0xLSD and also play various roles within the 0xLSD ecosystem. With this exact support of ORN, it's expected to further help 0x LSD's ecosystem capture funds and users at a larger scale, expanding the ecosystem size, and with new gains, 0x LSD is poised for a qualitative leap in the liquidity and yield domains. Furthermore, I have to add this one, which is Alexei Kolosov, the CEO of Orion Protocol. He brought unique insights and practical experience in product design in both traditional finance and the crypto space as well. Therefore, through this partnership, we also expect to drive further innovation in 0xLSD's existing product and also propel the ecosystem's development through innovation. And from any perspective, this is a long term benefit for the development of the 0xLSD ecosystem.
Yeah, got it. That's really cool. And you just said that, like, I just heard that you say that 0xLSD is launching a crypto credit card soon. So, can you give detail about it?
Sure. So you are right. At the Tokyo Summit, we announced our significant strategic partnership with BitPay, through which we will launch a co-branded cryptocurrency credit card. And this it signifies a further enhancement of the 0xLSD's ecosystem, providing users with a one-stop financial service solution. The co-branded cryptocurrency credit card will enable users to fulfill all their Web3 needs, including spending, earning, and security. And with this credit card that you just mentioned, users can easily engage in digital transactions. And additionally, the credit card offers several advantages, including high spending limits, global support in multiple countries, one click currency exchange for various cryptocurrencies, and the ability to recharge using USDT, BTC, ATH, and USDC without the need of any sort of KYC verification, which is the Know Your Customer verification. And this collaboration reflects our commitment to providing users with convenient and versatile financial services within the Web3 ecosystem. Thank you. So that would be my answer to your question. Thank you very much.
Okay, I got it. And I really like the idea behind the crypto credit card actually, and really looking forward to your upcoming crypto credit card actually. And I will be the first to have it. And finally, can you tell us about the plans of like the next year or the next upcoming update, whatever you want to say to us?
Sure.
Yeah.
So, as 0xLST continues to develop, our community spreads across many countries and regions around the world. We're going global. Next, we will continue to expand our community and seek more partners to power the development of DeFi. And then we will soon be in Dubai holding a meetup which is also an exchange of industry's elites. If you are actually interested in this one, you can follow our official social media and we will update you with our latest development on everything regarding our summits, our meetings, our upcoming products, our partnerships, and so on. So please go ahead, take part in our journey by following us on our official social media. Thank you very much. It was a real pleasure to take part in today's AMA. Thank you very much, and thanks to your community.
Okay, thank you very much for such a great insight. And unknowingly, our AMS session is coming to an end, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Zero XLSD team for their valuable time and to all the participants for their enthusiastic engagement. Today's AMA was filled with valuable information actually. And Mr. Ryan, do you want to say at the end something, or can say any closing statement to our community?
Yeah, so far I have explained every detail about the project, but then users or the community may also have other questions that maybe I didn't answer here. So please, if you have any sort of questions, do not feel shy, do not be afraid. Go ahead, ask us by commenting or on our Telegram channel, our Twitter, TX right now. Go ahead, ask your questions. We're going to be more than happy to answer them all. And thank you very much.
Okay, that's great. And I must say, like Zero XLSD position itself as a dynamic and innovative player in the cryptocurrency finance industry, and offering a comprehensive ecosystem with the focus of liquidity aggregation, cross-chain functionality, and user-friendly experience. And like this project achievement and future plan and global presence showcases commitment to driving the development of a DeFi and providing unique value to its users. And that's very great. And all the best from us. And wish you very, very best wishes from our side. And that was it from today. And people, please do not forget to join all the social links of 0xLSD and please support them. Okay, Mr. Dan, see you next time. Bye bye. Have a great day.